Tip 1. Choose games that are easy to understand. AARP has a vast selection of games intended for seniors, each varying in complexity and speed. Begin with games that are straightforward to understand. If you are a novice or fairly new to digital games, starting with difficult ones can be frustrating. Games like Solitaire, Sudoku, crossword puzzles are ideal starters. Tip 2. Set a regular schedule for gaming. To establish a routine, set a regular gaming schedule. This can help combat feelings of isolation, improve cognitive skills, and effectively battle dementia. But remember, the key is moderation, as spending excessive time at a stretch can strain your eyes and cause discomfort. Tip 3. Try different types of games. From arcade games to puzzles, trivia, card games, strategy games, AARP offers a wide range of options. Different games have various cognitive benefits, such as improving memory, problem-solving abilities, and hand-eye coordination. By not limiting yourself to one game type, you expose your brain to different kinds of stimulation. Tip 4. Use games as a social activity. Multiplayer games can be a fun way to connect with friends or meet new ones. AARP provides options for multiplayer games, which can be a great way to comfort feelings of loneliness. Tip 5. Take advantage of free games. AARP offers a wide variety of free games for seniors. These games provide entertainment and cognitive benefits without any financial commitment. Tip 6. Familiarize yourself with gaming controls. If you're new to online games, it's crucial to understand the game controls like buttons or keyboard commands. Some games allow you to customize these controls according to your comfort. Tip 7. Use tutorials and hints provided. Most AARP games come with tutorials that explain the game rules and even strategies to win. Make use of these to learn how to play the games professionally and to sharpen your skills. Tip 8. Challenge yourself. Gradually progressing to more difficult levels or trying new games will keep your brain active and progressively improve your cognitive abilities. Importantly, it will keep the gaming experience engaging and fun. Tip 9. Prioritize games that work on mental fitness. Certain games on AARP, such as Sudoku, crossword puzzles, etc., have been shown to have beneficial impacts on mental cognition. They stimulate multiple cognitive abilities and therefore keep the brain active and healthy. Tip 10. Take breaks regularly. Playing for an extended period can strain the eyes and can even turn into an addiction. It is advisable to take regular intervals between gaming sessions to avoid these issues. Tip 11. Practice to perfect. Just like any other activity, you get better at games with practice. Games that seemed hard at first will gradually become simpler. With constant practice, your skills will improve, and you might even start enjoying the games you initially found challenging.